Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to be sharing 2 nail art designs using some brand new polishes from Absolute New York. These polishes were just released a few days ago and they're available right now on the Absolute New York website, which I will leave linked in the description box below. These polishes are cruelty-free, they are so pigmented, they're quick drying, and they also have a wide round flat brush, which I absolutely love because it makes application so easy. So let's go ahead and get on into the nail art. For the first design, it's a simple Christmas dot-a-cure design. So I'm starting off with 2 coats of a nude polish as my base. Then I'm going to use classic red and a medium-sized dotting tool to add some dots on the bottom half of my nail. I'm going to try to concentrate the larger dots near the free edge and then make the dots a little bit smaller near the middle of my nail. Then I'll repeat the process with Pine Tree Green, which is a beautiful pigmented emerald green polish. The next polish I'm going to use is called French White, which is a classic white cream polish. And if you don't have a dotting tool, you can also use a bobby pin, a pen, the back of a paintbrush, or anything that has a rounded tip. And finally, to add a little bit of glitter to this nail art design, I'm going to be using silver glitter, which has a bunch of holographic silver glitters all suspended in a clear base. And to top off my design, I'm going to apply 1 layer of the Extreme Power top coat, which is a super fast drying glossy top coat. And here is the finished Christmas dot-a-cure. And for the second design, I painted some snowflakes over a festive shimmery red polish. So for my base, I applied 2 coats of this beautiful shimmery red polish called Ornament Red. This is like a cherry red jelly polish that is just packed with some gold shimmer. For the snowflakes, I'm using French White, and I'm going to be painting some 6-sided snowflakes by painting 3 long lines that all meet in the center. The nail art brushes and the dotting tools that I'm using are from NAILSTUFF.CA, and I will leave some links in the description box as well. Then I'll use a smaller dotting tool dipped in French White to add some dots on the ends of each of the 6 lines, as well as in the center of each of those lines. Then I just filled in some of the empty spaces with some white dots. And to finish off this design, I added a layer of the Extreme Power top coat. And here is the finished design. So here's one more look at the 2 nail art designs that I created using Absolute New York polishes. Again, I will leave links in the description box below to where you can purchase these. But anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!